How to remove all Instagram likes at once. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can remove all the Instagram likes at once. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. Once you're on your home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you land on your profile page, tap on the three-line icon at the top right. And under account or under the settings and activity page, tap on your activity. And here now under interactions, tap on likes. So once you get to this page here, you will find all the contents that you have liked in Instagram. If you want to go and unlike one by one, you have to tap on the video and then simply unlike the video. If you want to unlike all of them at once, you have to select all of them. So tap and hold on it. Now select each and every video that you have liked here. Now navigate towards the bottom of this page. There is an option as unlike. So tap on unlike. And here tap on again unlike. And with that, you have removed all the Instagram likes at once. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.